We lead a summer activity called Ins and Outs back at the workshop we were leading at school.
This activity lets us learn about each other and celebrate ways we are similar and ways that we are different.
We want everyone to feel proud of many groups they belong to. Being proud of our heritage helps us be strong community leaders who can make others feel good who they are.
We're going to call out the names of different groups. If you belong to a group that is called out, please stand.
The job of everyone is to help them feel real good about who they are. We are going to do that by applauding enthusiastically for the people who are standing.
Everyone is an elementary